Morning.
All right, good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Or good day, everyone. Today, we are still at the Pop Century Resort. This is a nice bed. This folds out, this whole thing. If I pull down on this, the table collapses and the bed comes out. It's nice. But anyway, we're going to the Animal Kingdom today. And I am in my Vader mask with my this is my Stormtrooper hat, and I got my Vader arm wristband here, Disney wristband, which is the key to my room and everything else here at Disney. And we're gonna have a good time today. And look, I'll show you my these are my Jordan 32s, I believe these are. Anyway, yesterday I had these Retro 8s, the ones that I wore yesterday. I don't know if I showed you the video, but that's what I wore yesterday, along with my Ice Cream Mickey shirt. Today I'm just got on my Jordan stuff, clouds, and we're going to Animal Kingdom today. I guess y'all are coming with us, so come on. All right, we're outside the room and it's chilly. It's chilly this morning.
I had to go to the
Look out, there's people coming down the walkway. It's a little chilly this morning, so there's Christy and her tie-dye or trippy skull. I don't know what to call that. It's not tie-dye. Well, it is kind of, but it's neon. Mandy just has a black one, and Isaac has got a Spider-Man, and me with my Vader. We're going to Animal Kingdom. We'll see you here in a minute. The front entrance for the Disney Animal Kingdom. All right, we're here at Animal Kingdom. Isaac's over here and we're looking at the birds, which are native to, I see these all over Florida, but what are they in fact? I forget. But they're everywhere. Here's some of the really neat. This is still right here by the wheelchair, right across from where you get the wheelchair. Come on, let's go. All right, oh, excuse us. All right, come on, we're gonna walk this way. Like Aerosmith, walk this way, come on. Walk this way. Walk this way. Talk this way. And I won't do that for y'all, but I like this.
Are you making those noises?
I am making them noises. Show him how to beatbox. Do it, Isaac. Break it down one time. He can do it. Isaac's the beatbox king now. He can do it. He'll break down and do it one of these days here. We're here having a good time. Glad y'all came with us. And oh wow, look at this. This is a Babarusa, which is translate to pig deer. This is a reference to the antler-shaped tusk of the male. This Asian pig searches the muddy rainforest floor for leaves, roots, nuts, fruit, and invertebrates to crush with his strong jaws and teeth. The clearest way to the universe is through a forest wilderness. John Muir. Here he is. Where's he at? Where's he at? Let's see. We've located him. The elusive. Uh-oh, where's he at? Where is he? There, is that him down there? Where's he at? Where?
They're right there. There's two of them.
Oh, there they are. I see them. There they are. Here. We'll get a good shot from over here. Here they are. Going into the water. Oh, it's the one and the baby. It's the little baby with them. It's the mama and the baby. Look at that. They're down there in the water, sticking their head under the water, eating, I guess. They're probably eating something on the, or drinking water. Look like they're rooting, kind of like a pig, you know, regular pigs root around in the mud, but these are rooting in the water here. There they go. Little bitty one, they're going on up. That was a good, we got a good shot of that for you guys. Famous tree of life here, coming across the bridge. There it is, the tree of life they call it. Is that what they call it, the tree of life? And you can see there's all kinds of hidden animals within the bark of the tree. Fish, animals, every kind of reptiles, whatever, it's all hidden up in the tree. We'll get you guys a shot of it here in a second.
Well, we saw some and then they
Some people like to be on film, and you can tell some people don't. But we hope everybody gets to see these videos, and lots of you get to see them. I hope you share them with your friends and family. For those of you who can't come, you know, maybe you can't afford it. You know, if you're young, you just keep doing good in school, do the best you can do, and you'll grow up and get a good job. Then you'll be able to come and bring your family. If you're a kid watching this, if you can't come, your folks just can't afford it. You just do the best you can do in life. Do your schoolwork. Do your schoolwork. It's real important to do good in school. And you'll have a good job. You'll be successful more than likely. And then you can come and have fun with your family. But I hope that comes to pass for everybody that wants it to. Look at this, the tree of life. That thing's so neat. What do you think, Isaac? Man. Huh? Isaac says he has to go to the restroom. Come on, we're going closer to the tree here. Come on. Come on. We're gonna get him a good shot of this tree here. Get a good shot of this tree. Wow, that thing is so neat. Wow. And there's a deer right there hidden in it. There's some of the, oh look, here's a ram hidden. Not really hidden, but there's all kind of stuff here hidden in this thing. This is really neat. It's really neat, huh? Woo. All right, come on, we're going to get on a ride though. I had to give you guys a shot of that. What's Animal Kingdom without the tree of life? You gotta see that. Wow. We're gonna get on the Navi River journey here in a little bit. But this is here in Pandora. And Isaac's climbing on some of the rocks here. Don't go way up there. No, we don't want you to fall. They'll probably come tell you don't do that. But wow, that's what I could say. It's such a nice day today that it has cooled off. This looks like where they have some kind of ceremonial thing going on. Wow, look at the floating rocks. And huh? Come on. I know, let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go, come on. Oh wow, that's pretty neat looking out here. Look at this. Wow. Looks like they got some big huge crystals there. Yeah, that's some drums, I guess. Do not touch. You know that's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. There you go. Isaac did it right. He hit it with his elbow. Good job. Come on. Wow. There's the waterfall. coming right out of the rock, a floating rock. Look at this. I tell you, this stuff is pretty neat. Well, that's Disney for you. No, this is actually the supports or the vines. See, they hid them, Isaac, in the vine. It's an illusion. They hid the supports within the vines, but it looks so real. It's so neat, and everything here always looks so good. Look at the lines here, but it's a 50-minute wait. But we're gonna be on it, and we'll be back with you in a little bit when we get on the river ride. So come on with us. I guess you're coming with us. We're going on the Navi River journey, y'all. Oh, I feel some sprinkles. It's really windy today. You can see my beard blowing probably in the wind. 3 and 4. Come on. Here we're going into the Navi River. I'm gonna ride at the back with my sweet wife, Christy. We have the whole car to ourselves. Here we go. There, oh, the waterfall. This is so neat, you guys. This is so neat. Let me tell you. Look at this stuff here. There he is. Wow. Oh, I kind of remember now. Yes, it's all coming back to me. Yeah. I was on this before, just don't remember. I was having a bad day that day. No, really, I was sick last year. Don't know what it was. I wonder sometime if I actually might have had the coronavirus last year and didn't even know it. I was so sick for about 2 months. They never did tell me what it was. Look at those things. Wow. Oh, there's some things flying above our head. Wow, look at them. They're spinning, spinning, spinning. That's the... Wow. Oh my goodness, look, there's some creatures jumping, hopping on the leaves here above us. Oh my goodness. And it's so dark, I know it's hard to see probably. They don't allow any flash photography in here at all, I'm sure. Wow. That looks like a big jellyfish almost. But it's actually a plant on the Navi River. Look at there. Oh, there's all kind of stuff here. Look in the background. Look, he's back there. See him? Look back there. Look, that's the Navi people are back there. I see them. There's some butterflies. Oh. They took her out. They used to have the animatronic there. Maybe she's in another spot. Wow. There's little glowing rocks all over. You can hear the Navi song being sung. Wow, it's so pretty in here. What do you think, Christy?
It's really pretty.
What do you think, Isaac? They took That was so neat. Yeah, and see they have sanitizer. As soon as you get off the ride, you can get your sanitizer. And hold on, son. Hold it for Dad. Hold it for me while I do my hands. Feel me doing my hands. All right, so you gotta do your hands.
What was your opinion about it, Isaac? Did you like it? Thumbs up?
Isaac said he gives it a thumbs up. That was the Navi River journey. And remember, always be the best and be blessed. And we'll see you next time.